In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI app with Claude in 3 minutes, calculator app. We're going to use Claude to generate a simple working calculator in HTML, and I'll walk you through how to try it out in your browser. Even if you've never written code before, don't worry, this is straightforward, and I'll point out a few tips along the way. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press Enter. You'll see results for Claude by Anthropic. Click the official site at Claude AI. If you're prompted to sign in or create an account, go ahead and do that so you can start a new chat. Once you're on the main page, you should see the option to start a new conversation. When you're ready, open a new chat. In the message box, type this prompt exactly. Please make a calculator app in HTML. Keeping the prompt clear and direct helps Claude produce a clean, self-contained example. If you'd like styling or specific features later, you can always refine the prompt, but we'll keep it simple for now to get a quick result. Click Submit. Claude will generate an HTML snippet, often with embedded CSS and JavaScript, inside a code block. Look it over briefly. You should see a basic layout for the display, number buttons, operator buttons, and a bit of script to handle the calculations. If the response is split across multiple code blocks, copy everything, making sure you include the opening and closing HTML, head, body, style, and script tags if they're present. If anything looks incomplete, just reply to Claude with a short note like, "Please include all code in one HTML file," and it will regenerate a full version. Now let's test the calculator. Copy the code Claude provided and paste it into a plain text editor. Then save the file as calculator. HTML on your computer. Double-click that file to open it in your browser. Try entering a few numbers, tap the operators, and press equals to confirm the math works. Check that the clear or reset button behaves as expected. If buttons don't respond, make sure the script tags are included in the same file. Then, refresh. Still stuck? Paste any error back into Claude and ask it to fix the issue. It's great at quick debugging. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you used Claude to generate, open, and test a working HTML calculator. From here, you can refine the styling, add keyboard input, or expand it with more operations, all by iterating on your prompt.